Hello guys, so welcome to another vlog. So it's always exciting when we get packages delivered. So this time I got two boxes. First one is a pair of LED fog lights which I will be installing in the Jeep in a short while. So I chose to change from the bulbs to LEDs mainly because of the brightness that this offers. The stock ones are basically candles, so hopefully this will be a big improvement. These are 30 watts per light, so that would be a total of 60 watts and 1300 lumens per bulb per light, so that would be brighter. The second box that I got, these are also for the Jeep, and these are latches for the hood locks. And Jeeps are notorious for hood flutter, especially the older ones, because the locks in the hood are only held by rubber, and as it ages the rubber gets weaker or stretches and loses its elasticity, causing the flutter in the hood. One more thing, anyone could just go and open your hood or your bonnet, and they could get your battery, they could do whatever. That's for the Wranglers. So this one that I got is lockable with keys, and they are metal aluminum. So we'll be installing this, and it's dark outside. I just woke up because I'm in night shift. Anyway, I'll be installing this. Hopefully we could light things up. Let's go. So this is the light before changing. So those are the original factory lights. I still have them on the new ones on the box. So incandescent, it's kind of amber or yellow bulb light. So I'll be replacing them. There are just screws in there, 4 from each side, and the wiring from behind. So that's it. I'll just remove them and we'll change one at a time, compare the light, the beam, and the brightness. This is from the back side of the bumper, and just strictly an Allen removes the bolts, only two bolts, one here and another one down, and we can remove the light connection. Now we will be replacing these screws to mount on this bracket and put it back. It is very different connections that we have here. So the usual black is ground, the colored ones is positive. Okay, so it just needs some adjustment, but it's very, very different in color. So next. Hey, how are you? Good, good. Yeah. Okay, so adjusting the beam would be just turning out this screw. So I'm just wrapping this with tape to secure it and secure from mud or dust. Okay, so checking the results of the light. Those are the fog lights. So the light, I'm happy with them. So they don't have the rings. The people would be expecting like the angel eyes, but I'm happy with them. Happy with how they are for what they are. So just looking at the results. So the fog light and okay, so happy with them. Next project, this one. So okay, so let's see the difference. So that's fog lights now, the new ones. So this is the light before changing. So those are the original factory lights after installation. It kind of looks smaller now. I think I'd go for a lift. So that's it. Finished. We're done.